Hello friends, today I will teach you some example sums of different chapters which will help you to understand the chapters in a better way. My first question for the day is a number when decreased by 18%. When decreased by 18% will give you 410. Find the number. So how should I do it? So a number, let's take the number as x. So x when decreased by 18%. 18% of what? 18% of x. Remember to write this. 18% of x will give you 410. How should I find out? I have to solve this equation and I get x amount. What is the amount? How should I do? LCM. LCM is 100. So it will become 100x minus 18x by 100. I found out the LCM which became 100. So because the LCM is 100, this will become 100x and minus 18x will equal to 410. So 82x equals to, I am doing cross multiplication here, equals to 410 into 100, it becomes 41,000. Now x equals to 41,000 divided by 82. Because it is a multiplication here, it will be division on the other side. 82. The answer is 500. So what is x? X is 500. Very easy, right? Okay, we'll do the next one now. Okay friends, my second sum or the next sum for the day is 1764 and 2809. I have to find the square root of this. I will do this by HCF method. Earlier I have taught you the division method, now I am teaching you the HCF method. 1764 to 82 sum. Okay, then again 2, 4, 4, 1. This 1, it will come in 7 tables because this is 1. 7 3s are 21, you remember? So 7 6 are 42, 2 will be here and that is 63. Then again 7 9s are 63. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3. Okay. Now I have 2 numbers of each digit. So I'll take one number of each pair. Now 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So the square root of 1764 is 42. Very easy method is the HCF method of square root. Okay. The denominator number is 2809. I had to find out the square root of 2809. So because this is 9 odd number, I thought I would do it with 3. When I took 3, I couldn't divide it. So I couldn't take 3. Then I thought I'll take 13. I couldn't do. Then I took 23, I couldn't. Then 33, I couldn't. 43, I couldn't. But when I took 53, I could. 53 is 2809. So again I get 53 here and the remainder is 1. Okay. So this is an HCF method. Now I got 53. I got a pair of the digit 53. When I get a pair of 53, what I take? Only 53. So my answer is 42 by 53. This is the square root of 1764 by 2809. That is 1764 by 2809. Square root answer is 42 by 53. Okay. My next sum of square root is 17.64. Find out the square root of 17.64. But the question will tell you to find it by division method. If you remember earlier we have done one division method. Now I will teach you one more. 17.64. When I say 17, what will be the closest one? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. What is the remainder? 1. Now what you should do in the division method? Next step, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then a dash. I have to take 64 here and put the point here. I took 64 down and put the decimal point on the top. Okay. Now 164, what should I multiply? 8 plus the number to get 164. Now when I see 8 tables, 2 2s are 4, 82 into 2, let me do 82 into 2, 81 into 1 will give me 81, I want 82, so I am trying 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, over. The answer is 4.2. Very easy. Find the square root of 17956 by division method. Okay. What should I do? Should I take again 4 4s are 16? I did that. When I took 4 4s are 16, I got 1, 9 and then 5 down. 4 plus 4, 8. Then what number I should add here? If I take 2, it's 164. 164. Then 1 down, 3 down and 6 down. But when I do 82 plus 2, it is 8, 4 and then one more number I have to add here. This number becomes too big for me to do this. So it is wrong. This is wrong because I couldn't solve this. This digit, this value is 300, this value is 800. I can't do. So because I can't do this, I try another method. So what I did now, I took only the single digit. Single digit is 1. 1 ones are 1. Okay, then I took 7 down, 9 down. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Now, what will I multiply this with? Let me take 3. Okay, because this is 9, I took 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So I got 1, 0. Now I'll take 5 down and 6 down. I am taking 2 digits at a time. 1056. So 3 plus 3. It's a division method. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I should add a number here to get this. What it can be? 3, 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. Let me try with 4. Okay? Right? Now 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 2 carry. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 1056. So my answer for this sum is 134. What is the square root of? Square root of 17,956. It is 134. So to look, it is complicated, but as you get the practice, you will improve on all this. Okay. The next sum is an algebraic sum. We have to divide this with 3x minus 7. So I will teach you an algebraic sum of division method. Okay. Now 3x. The first digit here is 6x cubed. So first what I have to say is, what should I multiply 3x with to get 6x cubed? So 3 2s are 6. Okay, x cube it is. Here it is x. So I'll take x square. What will I take? X square. So 3x into 2x square is 6x cube. Then minus 7 it is. So I will do minus 7 into 2x square. That is minus 14x square. I'll cancel this. This will become 0. 6x cube minus 6x cube is 0. Now this plus minus 14x square. Because this is minus already, and again a minus will make it plus. Minus into minus, this becomes plus. So it will be plus 15x square. Okay. Then I have to take this down. It's a regular division. It's that said that you are doing it in an algebraic way because you are using variables. Okay. Now 15x square. What should I multiply 3x with to get 15x square? 3 5s are 15, correct? Okay, this is a plus sign, so I'll write plus here. Okay, then 3 5s are 15, x into x will give me x square. So I'll do 3 5s are 15, x into x, x square. Then minus 7 into minus 5, plus 5x. So it is minus 35x. Minus 35x. Now again this will minus minus, because in division what we have to do, we have to subtract them. So plus 15x minus 15x will become 0. Then this is minus, minus and minus will become plus. So it is plus 35x now. Now plus 35x minus 26x will give you how much? It will give you plus 9x. What it will give you? Plus 9x. Then I have to take this number down. So that is minus 25. What it is? Minus 25. Now 3x into what will give me? 9x. 3x into what? Okay, this is a positive number, so I write a plus sign here. Then 3 3s are 9. I am not writing anything for x because it's only a single x. 3 3s are 9 and x I'll write as it is. So it is 9x. 9x. Now minus 7 into plus 3. Minus 7 into plus 3 is how much? Minus 21. So this is 0 and this minus and minus will become plus. Because it's a subtraction, it will become plus. So I'll get plus 21 minus, I'll get minus 4. What is my remainder? Minus 4. Minus 4 is the remainder and this is the answer. What is my answer for this division? It is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. How will I evaluate whether my answer is correct? To verify this, I will do multiplication. I will multiply that. My remainder was minus 4. Remainder was minus 4. Now, let me do multiplication. 3x into 2x square is 6x cube. Then plus 15x square plus 9x minus 14x square minus 14x square. I am doing multiplication. 7 into 2 is 14x square. Then minus 35x minus 35x. Then minus 21. Okay. Now 6x cube, can I do any subtraction or addition with it? No, I'll write it as it is. Okay, then 15x square minus 14x square. What is left? Plus 15 minus 14. It is only x square plus x square. Then plus 9x minus 35x. How much it will be? How much it will be? It will be minus 26x, then minus 21. Because my remainder is minus 4, I have to add it here. And it will give me minus 25. Let me evaluate with my answer, whether my answer is correct. My question was 6x cube plus x square minus 26x and minus 25. So my answer is correct. Okay. This is my complete answer. When I add minus 4 here, this will become minus 25. Okay. So this answer is correct. Okay friends, any doubts? Please tell me in the comment box. Thank you.